Hi, good evening friends. So today we will cover some fantastically easy algebra concepts. So till this point of time you would only be mugging up the basic algebraic formula. And just to drive my point more clearly, I will just quickly cover up a few very basic algebra formulae that we are quite used to. So the very first one and the most simple one is x plus y whole square, and obviously most of us remember it as x square plus 2xy plus y square. Similarly, the other formula that we typically use, and it's again one of the basic most formulae in algebra, which is x minus y whole square, and again we mug it up as x square minus 2xy plus y square. But have we ever thought of as to why these formulae are like this, apart from the pure mathematical multiplication that we do? What is the exact interpretation of these formula? And that's what today we will know through this video. So I'll quickly take you to the next part, which is the visualizing part, or how to interpret these formula. And we will start off with x plus y whole square, which is equal to x square plus 2xy plus y square. Now all of you, now imagine a little kid who is actually going through this concept for the very first time, and he or she finds it quite daunting to sort of mug up this formula with absolutely zero logic. And I've seen teachers using shortcuts like, if there is a plus in between, so your 2xy will come in with the plus, the square things will always come in with the plus. If there is a minus in between, all these squares will stay positive, and the other pluses will convert into minus. Now these are very bad ways of remembering or mugging up the formula, and so today we will actually understand what is the interpretation. So now quickly getting into that, so we will start off with assuming, let's say there is a line segment of length x, okay, and what will be x plus y. So we say that there is another line segment which starts right here, has got a length y, so this is y. Now x plus y whole square will be nothing but it will be a square of side x plus y. So let me quickly draw that square for you, and again this is x here, and so I will also quickly draw this square here. Okay, so this will be x, this is x, this is y, this is y, this will be x, this is y, this is y, this again is x. So now obviously x plus y whole square is nothing but this entire area which is the area of region 1 plus area of region 2 plus area of region 3 plus area of region 4. And now if you go by the simple law of geometry, or mensuration rather, we will see that the area of region 1 is nothing but, since this is a square of side x, this is x square. This is a rectangle, one side x, the other side is y, this is xy. This is a square of side y, so this becomes y square. And again the fourth area is a rectangle of sides x and y, so it becomes xy. All we've got to do to find out x square plus y square is add up all these four areas together, which will be nothing but x square plus y square plus xy plus xy, and that's what. So this is the interpretation of this. Now again, just to give you another example, now we will quickly get into the other counterpart formula, which is the x minus y whole square. And here again we talk about, and we'll see the right interpretation of this. So here what we will do is that we'll start off with a line segment of length x, out of which we will take away y. So this becomes x minus y, yeah, and then again we will form a square. So the outer square is a square of side x, and this particular side is x minus y, because we've taken y out of it. So accordingly we will create this square. Yeah. So this basically is x minus y. This is x minus y. This is x minus y. So we got to find the area of this region, that is region 1. Let's call it region 1. Okay. And so if we have to find the area of this particular region, what we need to do? So the outer square, we need to subtract the area, this shaded area here, from this bigger square's area, which is nothing but x square. So x square is the area of the bigger square, and we need to subtract this area and this area. So this area is what? This is x minus y, so this is y. This is side x, so this is xy. So we subtract xy. Again we subtract this area also. Again it is a rectangle of sides x and y. This is x here to here and y. So again minus xy. Now while doing this, what we have done is that for this particular area, which was the common area to both these rectangles, we have subtracted it twice. And what is this? This is y, this is y, this is y, this is y. So this is y square. So we have subtracted y square twice. So we need to add back 1 y square. So we add back 1 y square. And what do we get? We get x square minus 2xy plus y square. So this is again the simple interpretation of these algebraic formulae. First being this, the second being this. If you enjoyed my video, or if you have any sort of feedback or questions, you can write to me on my email ID here. Thank you.